Hello, everybody, and welcome. Today, we're going to cover ChatGPT, what it is, and how you can use it today to grow your business by at least 20%. And what I mean by grow your business, I'm referring to your revenue. Yes, you can have ChatGPT help you grow your business revenue by 20%. So, first things first, I created a prompt and I put it into ChatGPT to see if it worked. And I'll go into details about it in a second, but I'm going to put the prompt right here. So something should be popping up right in this section. Thank you. And I want you to use this prompt for yourself to help you grow your business. Now, the prompt reads as follows. I'll go ahead and put in what exactly I have. So I said, act as a Fortune 500 business consultant. I currently own a business that sells an online marketing course. I currently offer an online course that teaches small and mid-sized businesses how to market like Fortune 500 companies. Could you provide me 10 ways I can increase my business revenue by 10 to 20% within 1 year? Be detailed and use bullet points. Now, I know that sounds very simple, but the answer I got was crazy and phenomenal. So let's start with point 1. It said diversify your course offerings. Point 2, leverage testimonials. And then it goes on to develop a referral and affiliate program, memberships, subscriptions, limited time promotions, and collaborate with partners, etc. Part 2 of this prompt because you have to train ChatGPT like you have to train any other AI model so it knows what you want it to do, how you want it to act, and how you want it to respond. So my second prompt said, could you create a 30-day plan and strategy for me on the above? Assume I know nothing, but I do have a working budget of, let's say, $1,000. Please be detailed and use bullet points. Not only did it give me a plan and a strategy, but it broke it down by week and day as far as what to do, how to do it, and then how much of the budget utilization I would actually be putting forth with the budget that I gave it. Now, this is completely awesome for any small and mid-sized business simply because everybody knows when you get into business, yes, you know, and you're the expert in your field, but when it comes to business, are you the expert in business? And you're probably still learning the ropes. With ChatGPT, this streamlines and helps you skyrocket your business so that you can not only grow your business faster, but educate yourself using this free piece of technology, unless you're paying for ChatGPT 4, which is only $20 a month. And now you have something that's not only capable of assisting you, but also educating you, and you can literally learn whatever it is you want to learn. Now, when it comes to business, there's different areas, right? So let's talk about it for a second. Let's see what it tells me to do. Let's start with week 1, course enhancement and content preparation. Days 1 and 2, I want you to allocate $200 for purchasing a high quality microphone, basic video editing software, research competitor courses, and identify your gaps in your content. Days 3 and 4, revise and expand course modules based on competitor analysis. Use free resources like Canva to design visually appealing course material. Now, if you ever taken a course or you ever bought something online, a lot of them, and I have been guilty of doing this as well, a lot of them quite literally have a PowerPoint presentation. And it's not the most attractive PowerPoint presentation, but with Canva, and Canva is also free unless you use the paid model, you can utilize Canva to create amazing PowerPoints for your course or for your business or for your presentations when you're pitching a client, when you're trying to get new business, when you're trying to raise money, or let's say you're a foundation looking to raise money and collect grants and stuff like that. You can use Canva to go ahead and assist you with the design and implementation, because it also has placeholders for you when you go to design. So you don't have to be a professional designer. It literally helps you along the way. And if you don't know, Canva too also uses AI technology. Let's continue. Promotion and engagement. This is week 2. Days 8 and 9, set up social media profiles on platforms relevant to your audience, such as LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Allocate $50 towards targeted media ads to promote your upcoming webinar. Now, this is crazy. It's talking about setting up a webinar. If you don't know how to do a webinar or don't know how to set it up, you can go into ChatGPT or you could go to Google and type in, how can you set up a webinar for the above? Or how do I set up a webinar for my business that consists of, and put in whatever your business consists of. And you'll literally get the answer. And then if you ask it to create a plan, a step-by-step plan for you, it will not only create one, but if you ask it to use bullet points, it'll break it down day by day, week by week, and what to do, which is amazing. Now, if you have ChatGPT 4 and you're connected to the internet, you could also ask it, well, what platforms should I use to create my webinar that are cost efficient and work with my budget? And it'll also give you that information as well. So let's continue and let's move forward. Let's scroll down to week 4 here. Membership model and final push, days 22 and 24. Develop a premium content package for a monthly subscription model. Set up a membership platform using cost-effective tools like Patreon or WordPress plugins. Days 25 and 27, bundle your course with related ebooks, templates, or tools for a limited time, an i.e. ultimate bundle that you can put together. And then allocate $250 for designing the bundle and updating your website. Now, a lot of you might be saying, well, I don't know how to design a website. I don't know exactly where to start or where to go or whatever. Look, if you're not an expert when it comes to coding and things like that, don't worry. You don't need to be. I mean, especially if, you'll hear a lot of people, oh, you should use WordPress. You should do this because 70% of websites are hosted on WordPress. Yes. However, there's so much cost that goes into WordPress. It's going to be difficult for you not only to manage, but budget everything on top of it. Instead, I would suggest, as I suggested to my clients in the past, when I had my marketing agency, is to quite literally use a platform like Wix or Squarespace. Wix and Squarespace not only have templates for you similar to like Canva, but they also assist within the design. And if you use Wix, not only will you be able to design a beautiful website and create everything extremely easily, well, on top of it, they also utilize AI. I just did this recently with a friend of mine, and I was helping her with her website. And it was quite interesting because she just got onto Wix. It was a new feature they just added. And a prompt came up and it said, I want you to type in and tell me a little bit about what it is that your business does. And this is going to help us design your website. Well, we did so. And I kid you not, we put in what she did. She's a life coach, by the way. And she put in her information as far as the areas where she's focused on. And it quite literally built out a whole website, pages and all. She even said that she wanted to add a course to it. And guess what? It added the page so that she could put her course. It added the page where she had her different packages, memberships, subscriptions, a podcast area, and it was all already set up for her. All she had to do was add in her own content. So AI is not only becoming revolutionary, but it's helping people not only get off the ground with their business, but change how people do business in the future because of the fact that speed is everything in business. We all know this. The faster you're able to close a client, the faster you're able to put money in your pocket. So with that, it's one of those things where if you're not using this, well, like everybody says, within 5 years, every business, about 99% of them, normally fail. And then, of course, within 10 years, you're lucky to even still be alive. So as Tony Robbins says, you have to be a gladiator to be in business. And if you're not always adapting and overcoming, as we say in the Marines, you're not going to make it very far, nor are you going to make it for a very long time because you have difficulties adapting to the ground that you're playing in, or I should say the field that you're playing in. If everybody else is using AI, such as Copy AI or ChatGPT to grow their business, and you're not, and you're wasting money on, trying to do stuff on your own, you're wasting time by putting copy together, trying to figure it out on your own, not utilizing these services, well, you're going to fall behind as time goes on. And there's a chance I'm not saying that it will, but there's a chance that your business might fail. So the purpose of this video today was not only to show you the prompt and talk about ChatGPT, but reason why you should be using AI within your business. And the main reason why is because it creates speed, and speed is everything. For those of you who listen to people like Gary Vaynerchuk, Alex Hormozy, etc., they too also talk about speed of implementation, speed of process, speed of delivery, and then speed of execution. With all these things, you can use AI to help you increase not only your performance, but the speed in which you conduct business, which means you'll be putting more money in your pocket. And by following the prompt that I said earlier, you'll be able to increase your business revenue if you're already in business by at least 10 to 20%. Now, that is crazy because if you're making $100,000, think about it, and you wanted to increase your business revenue by 20%, that's an extra $20,000 you added to your annual revenue. Now, what can you do with an extra $20,000? I know I could do a lot with it. Now, if you go and reinvest that into your business and you get some of these paid services that consist of AI, such as Copy AI, which is great for everything when it comes to content distribution as far as email, social media, advertisements, etc., because they already have prompts in there that you literally click on and then you just input what it is that you do, what it is that you're talking about, and it creates everything correctly formatted for you so that when you ask the AI with that prompt, it generates the proper answer that you're kind of looking for. Because we all know if you want better answers in life, you have to ask better questions. So that's it for this video, and if you thought this was helpful, please smash the like button and let me know your thoughts below. Let me know if you're using AI. If so, what platforms are you using? Are you using ChatGPT? Are you using Copy AI? Are you using Canva and AI? Did you decide to start a business, and are you using Wix with the AI feature that they have to help you build the website? Or maybe you're using some other platform. I'm not knocking WordPress. I'm just stating that if you don't have an expert that knows WordPress very well, it's going to be difficult for you to do it on your own. So I suggest the other platforms. And also, till next time, my friends, take care, have a great day, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next video.